Hello guys, good evening again. This is your boy Don. Yeah, it's kind of a crazy weather today, and I just pulled over at work and it started snowing. So I'm just trying to update you guys of my daily living in the van, in my camper van. Um, I mean, it's no fun, it's no joke, but again, I really enjoy it. And now again, it's winter, so I'm kind of having fun in it, bro, guys. Um, right now it's kind of snowing, and I think just like started snowing, and I think it's gonna be like 9 feet to tomorrow, like 9 feet tomorrow. Anyways, you keep your fingers crossed. So right now I just pull over at work. Yeah, like I said, it's a traveling nurse. You know, if you're a traveling nurse, you are traveling CNAs, or if you're a healthcare worker, or whatever your job is. You know, even like you do IT. Some people like do IT, they travel from place to place and have your computers in your van and you go camping, you know, winter camping or whatever you wanna do. So it all boils down to whatever you're doing, like what you know, like what you like to do, what yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna take you guys outside so you guys can see how snowing it is. I'm gonna change. Yeah, and open my door. Yeah, guys. Yeah, here's my van. I'm gonna take you guys walk through it. Yeah, I think like 2 days ago we had like a good um chunk of snow. Uh, yeah, here's my van. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys and show you how what I do when it's kind of snowing. I mean, I turn my furnace on. It's kind of warm in there right now. So yeah, definitely smoked a little bit. Yeah. Oh boy, it's ice already. Ooh, see that? It's cool already. That's ice just coming off my furnace. So yeah, what we got? There we go. All right, I'm gonna take you guys back inside. All right, welcome back inside. Yeah, it's kind of nice and warm in here. Um, so right now I have my little stove over here, which is on. Got my sink right there. Got a bathroom right in there. So I'm gonna try to make something to eat. I'm gonna turn the light on. Ha, don't mind my fancy lights. Yeah, I got my fancy lights. I always like to put them on, you know, at night. You know, I just like how they glow. I'm gonna make some eggs. I'm gonna fry some eggs to eat before work. Uh, just trying to get my stuff together, guys. Got my onions. There we go. All right. I'm just gonna try to make some eggs and eat before. There you go. That's better. And got all my stuffs in here. Fry pan right there. There we go. I mean, whatever thing you guys want me to cook. I mean, I'm just gonna do it. So the lights are too bright. Use this one and turn off this one. Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah. So whatever you guys want me to cook, just drop it at the comment section, and I'm gonna cook it. I can cook whatever I wanna cook. Anything I wanna cook, I can just do it. Anything. So right now today, I'm just gonna cook. I'm just gonna fry some eggs and eat, and take a shower too. Just freshen up before work. So like I said, I work tonight, so it's gonna be one of those days. All right, all right. I'll see you guys soon. So got my tomatoes right here. Just gonna slide it and put it in my eggs. I just like tomatoes to be inside, you know. Alright, I'll see you guys soon again. Alright, I'm gonna let the stove some heat, just increase the flames a little bit. That's more oil. I cook with this, but I still have. I see have my oil right here, so that's cool. What I do is just put a little bit in the container so I don't make a mess with it. Yeah. So I put a little bit of oil inside. And that should be enough. Guys, if you want to know, you can always, like I said, you can go to the comment section and leave a comment, and I'll be right. Again, I always love to beat my egg, so I make sure I beat it properly. Yeah, beat it properly. So I think yeah, I think that should be offset. Just wait for my oil to get hot a little bit. Yeah, I think that should be offset. There we go.
Everybody, because this is for everybody, and to win business this time, that was missed at the beginning of this. Should not that some other direction that any leader or not take a step back.
Alright, I'll get back to when it's all set. Just gonna show you guys again, like right now. There you go. Alright. Now I have to flip sides of the egg. Oh, there we go.
You come through when you're heartbreak, push and shit heartbreak. You back there for your man, and the bathroom, I want to flex my love, and I want to carry my love to replace your loves. And I want to carry my love to replace your loves. I'm just
There we go. Turn the vent fan on. Alright. That's how it looks like when you're all set. Gonna get myself some bread. Right in my fridge. There we go. So we have cabbage right there, going out this way. Alrighty. Ooh. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be here for a couple of hours, then I'll start work. So my daily routine is like after I go to work, I just like check on my temperatures and see if it's really low, if it's really down, the negative. What I do is like I just like come into my van, you know, and make sure it's nice and hot, it's nice and warm, you know, and always like pull out all the cabinets out, heat circulates. So I mean, here's my microwave. So I have my cabinets right here. I just like pull it out so I can circulate what we're inside. I have this one too. So I just make sure air circulates inside, so I don't have like any freezing pipes and stuff. So basically that's it, you know. And so tonight I'm gonna walk you guys throughout like my daily routine when the weather is kind of negative, or when it's kind of snowing, you know, and we go from there. All right, let me eat my dinner right now, and we go. We'll see what's next. Chill. See you later.